The participants of the circle Robot Technique pupils of our school, Bogachov Alex and Ivanitsky Ivan, were awarded for their invention, a robot manipulator, at the exhibition Scientific Technical Creation of the Youth. This robot manipulator is the universal device capable to carry out the wide spectrum of tasks both independently and under human control. Robot has a large quantity of independently controlled moving elements, which makes possible for it to carry out complex problems. Robot is very compact for its quantity moving elements, also in cooperation with other robot manipulators. Robot is mobile, can independently be moved, which also distinguishes it from other manipulators. Robot can be governed as by program. It is possible to program any action of it, although this is a sufficiently labor-consuming process. So also by man with the aid of the remote control panel. Robot can be adapted to the fulfillment of more complex problems with the aid of the small modifications and the additional adaptation. Robot consists of 4 RCX blocks, which is caused by a large quantity of moving elements. One motor is begun to operate for each mobile. As a result, in the model are begun to operate 9 motors. Right wheel, left wheel, turning of right hand is right left, the turning of the left hand is right left, the turning of the right hand up down, the turning of the left hand up down. Scissor release by right scissor manipulator. The scissor release of left is by scissor manipulator. The turning of the head is right left. This robot can achieve the very wide spectrum of tasks, limited only by the force of robot and by the fantasy of man who is managing it with the aid of panel or program. Including robot can manipulate different objects, for example in the process of building, perform the dismantling of different constructions, the neutralization of mines, the installation of charges for the destruction of any object, work in pure weather conditions, low or high pressure, chemical or biological infections, or radiation, and even sweep streets. Still, its one merit is the fact that robot it is possible somewhat to modernize, after adapting it to the narrowly specialized work. Additional adaptation for the similarity of pistols for the churning of mountains avalanches are already created at the given moment. Also for the robot is a broom, the collection of artists and others.